Let me share you an easy remedy for cough.
For this, you need turmeric, pepper, and some honey. These three are antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. Take 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of honey, and few pinches of pepper. When you mix turmeric and pepper, curcumin in turmeric gets activated by piperine in pepper. Mix it together in this form.
You can consume this after your meal or maybe half teaspoon for every cough reflex. And see how your cough and chest congestion reduces in 2 days. So, try this out